Do you know what a noun is? Don't worry. It's not an alien. Learning the parts of speech might sound boring, but it's the secret to speaking English more naturally and confidently. Let's break it down really quick. First, we have nouns. They're a person, place, thing, or idea, like DonBright, pizza, ghost, or happiness. My dog definitely thinks pizza is the most important noun. Then there are pronouns, which replace nouns. Think I, you, he, she, it, like he said he loves pizza. Who's he? My cat, obviously. Next up, verbs. These are action words like run, jump, or my favorite, procrastinate. I Netflix all day. Is that a verb yet? Adjectives describe nouns, words like happy, blue, or spicy. That extra slice of pizza looks very happy, just like me. And finally, adverbs describe verbs, like quickly, silently, or dramatically. I dramatically ate the pizza and then dramatically regretted it. That's just a few to get you started.